Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Liz. If you are new here, you are most welcome, and don't forget to go down below, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification post so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate you and I love you so much. Today I've got a very exciting video for you guys. Some of you wanted to know what product I am currently using and how is my current skincare routine. A lot of you guys were asking me this question on IG, and I decided to keep quiet for a while. I didn't want to respond. I actually wanted to first use this product and see how the product is going to work on my skin and how my skin is going to react to the product, and then I'll then come back to you guys and show you the result. So yeah, these are the product that I am talking about. By the way guys, the last time I filmed my skincare video was about a year ago, so I've actually added some more product to my skincare routine, which is these ones. Okay, so I've been using these product for about 2 months now, to be exact. So this one is the Daily Essentials Gentle Exfoliating Wash for all skin types. You guys know that my skin is very sensitive. I've mentioned this in most of my skincare videos. My skin reacts a lot on most of the products, so I'm always afraid to try a new product, because every time when I try a new product, my skin would react to it about a day or on the second day. So I was actually hesitating to use this product. Like, I would pass at clicks most of the time and I would see it and I would be like, oh my word, this product looks very nice, and I feel like testing them out, and then I'll be like, okay, let me just leave it. And then the next time I'll go there again and I want to purchase it, I would even grab the product. You guys have seen me on Instagram, like showing you guys all my stories. I would grab the product and I want to go pay for it, and then I'll change my mind again and put it back on the shelf. But this time I decided, you know, it wouldn't hurt for me to try something new, so I went ahead and just took a risk to purchase this product. And let me tell you guys, I didn't make any wrong decision at all. These products are amazing. As you guys can see, I didn't purchase the soap, I didn't purchase the cream, I did not purchase the other gel, because I first wanted to like test these two products out, and if it works for my skin, I'll then go ahead and add some more of this product range to my skincare routine. So like I said, this one is the exfoliating wash. So it says this product purifies pores by smoothing away dull, lifeless skin cells and impurities. I definitely agree with this, because it does cleanse your skin. Like, when I exfoliate my skin, you guys, all the products, all my foundation, everything will just come out. It cleanses my skin. I normally use this twice, so I'm gonna exfoliate my face for the first time, I rinse my face, and then I go in for the second time and I'm gonna exfoliate my face again. Immediately when I rinse my face, you guys, my face feels very soft, like soft and clean. You can feel like, wow, my face is really clean. So it says that its formula combines skin loving minerals with natural microbeads for gentle skin exfoliation. Skin is left feeling noticeable, softer and smoother. Definitely agree with that. It's dermatologically tested. It's suitable for sensitive skin. Like I said, I am sensitive skin, and before I purchased this product, I went ahead and read everything, like, yeah, behind. Obviously you need to read to see the ingredients and all of that stuff, so I made sure that I read everything. So it says that you have to lather this product in your hands and you massage it onto the face and then rinse it. It's suitable for everyday use. I don't use this every day, I use it every other day, so it's up to you. You can use this during the day and at night as well, or you can use it once a day. I use it at night, I don't use it during the day, because when I'm going to work, I just rush. I don't have time to exfoliate my skin. What I do is I just wash my face using this product. The result: skin is cleansed, feels noticeable soft and smooth. Like I mentioned earlier, my skin feels very, very smooth. This product is bomb. I'm telling you guys, you should go ahead and try it out. It's very, very good. So the next product is Johnson's Fresh Hydration. This is how it looks like. It says that it effectively cleanses while quenching skin, and it has rose water. This one is for normal skin. It says that its unique formula whisks away dirt and everyday impurities while quenching skin with refreshing hydration. Guys, this product does hydrate my face. After using the exfoliating product, when I moved to this one, I just feel like, oh my word, I feel like I'm in heaven. It just feels amazing. And of course, it doesn't mean that if this product works for me, it's automatically going to work for you as well. We've got different skins, and what works for me might not work for you, or what works for you might not work for me. I'm just telling you guys the product, how it is and what it does to my skin. Okay, so this one is also dermatologically tested. It's suitable even for sensitive skin. Direction for use: you just apply to a wet face and gently massage into leather. That's what it says, and then rinse thoroughly. Very, very good. I absolutely love this product. Again, the product is amazing. There is nothing wrong with this product. So to be honest with you guys, the first time when I started using this product, I wasn't really sure if I was going to like it. The reason why I'm saying this is because every time I apply the product on my face, I would feel my face dry. Like after rinsing my face, I would feel like my face is dry and it's craving moisture. This is what I feel. I still feel like that even now, so I'm just like warning you guys, when you buy this product and start using it, your skin is going to be dry immediately when you finish washing your face with this product. But don't worry about that, because you're obviously going to use a nice moisturizer. Talking about moisturizer, I still use my Eucerin face moisturizer. I did not abandon this product, and I don't think I'll ever abandon it. So all in all, these products are amazing. I absolutely recommend them to you guys. I would suggest that you don't buy the whole product range. Maybe you can start with these two after using it for like a month, and if you feel like it works for your skin, then you can go ahead and purchase the whole product range and start using them. Okay, so I'll definitely recommend this product because I absolutely love them and my skin loves them at the moment. So yeah, that's that, guys. You might be wondering why I'm using this product and the Eucerin product as well. As I mentioned earlier, after washing your face with this product, you are going to feel like your face is dry and it's craving for moisture. So once I'm done washing my face with these two bad boys, I usually go in with my Eucerin mild cleansing milk, and then I rinse my face. After that, my skin feels very, very good and not dry at all. And then after that, I move on to my Eucerin toner, and then I apply my Eucerin cream. Okay, so this is my current skincare routine. Very simple, inexpensive, and I absolutely love how my skin feels like and how my skin looks like, you guys. So if I add any additional product to my skincare routine, I will definitely update you guys. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like it, make sure that you give it a massive thumbs up. Okay, leave a comment down below if you have any questions for me. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Today I've got a very exciting video for you guys. Today I've got a very exciting video for you guys. Some of you wanted to know, so once I'm done,
I'm hungry.